We finally found our way, and we got up to the campground at Cumberland Falls State Park. Of course, there was no rangers there. We had a place to park, so we camped out. And this is what it looked like when we got up in the morning. Very few people left in the campground, but as you can see from the campsites, they're not very large. So if you're coming with a great big camper, you may not fit in. It's one of those camp places that we call, we're using someone else's tent pegs. But we got a good night's sleep, and now we're going down to the falls, and we are going to pay for our camping. To determine when the next moonbow should occur, most calendars list the nights of the full moon, usually the night before and the night after a full moon.
We are at Cumberland Falls in Kentucky. This is a state park, and this waterfall has been known to be called the Niagara of the East. What you're looking at here is just the very edge of it. We're going to wander on down and see the whole thing. My family was here in the very early 60s, and I guess they didn't care too much about safety then, because this gate that you see here to stop you from going any further was not here. You could walk right out to the very edge of the falls. Maybe too many people fell over. That's probably the reason. But at any rate, this is as close as you can get to the falls now. You might be seeing a rainbow. This is about the best view of the falls you can get.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.